9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Josh with JCS Customs, and I do a lot of Camaro mods as far as external parts, internal, and accessories. So yeah, we're actually walking out to the garage here because this is a big drop today. Super excited to do this one. Let's turn these lights on here. Going to turn it around so you guys can see the car real quick. If you're new to the channel, it's a 2021 Camaro SS in the absolutely beautiful crush orange. One of my favorite colors for these cars, but we're not going to talk much in general about this car today like we usually do on the channel because it is a big day. By the time this video posts, which is tomorrow, the brand new website will be dropped. Super stoked about it. I have put a lot of time and effort custom coding into the building of this website. So yeah, we're gonna walk back inside real quick so I can walk through the new exciting things with the new site. You guys just don't know how super stoked I am to get this thing out. So here we are on the website host page. As you can see, I haven't published it yet because I'm waiting for tomorrow when this video drops. But if we click view our store here it is, guys. On desktop, it does look different on mobile. On mobile, all of this will be like a gradient green to orange, aka the picture used earlier and my shirt. It all matches. So, you see Mustang, Corvette, Challenger, Charger. Yes, we have expanded products. Super excited to start offering different things to different customers. Scroll down a little bit and you will see some nice tiles here with the products for each car and years categorized here. So shout out to DJ Gainsborough for letting me use his picture there, one of my buddies. Spent a lot of months on this. I asked him if I could use this picture a while back, but finally got to it. So we got accessories, garage tools, car care. Pay attention to the car care as there's big things coming up for that as well. Apparel, which is shirts, shoes, hats, a little bit of everything. Make your own products where you can submit stuff and then I will create them. You can view all. Let's click that real quick. And I'm not going to try to talk too long about it. I just want to generally walk through everything. So we have all the cars again separated by year. We have bags, beanies, exterior parts for Camaros, interior parts, Camaro lighting, and this will be divided up per car once you click view all. So as in there will be a Challenger exterior, Challenger interior if you want to look at certain parts of each car. Or you click just that there. I'm currently adding still adding some products. So let's go up to say the 2018 to 2023 Mustang here and click that. So I'm still adding product for that. Let's go back. What's a good one to do? This one, okay. 2015, 2017 Mustang, if we click that. As you can see, some product is already there. Larger files take a minute to load. I actually have a video showcasing for this one. So let's go back. It's easier with my hand here. So yeah, everything's separated nice and neat. Cases, keychains, page 2. And like I said, I'm still adding stuff, mugs and cups, shoes, vinyl, wallets, all kind of stuff. I've expanded my equipment to make stuff over the past few months. So yeah, my capabilities as far as getting product out to you guys has expanded dramatically. So yeah, you just kind of see the orange and green gradient there showing up, but on the mobile, which I will put on the screen for a second, will show up like that. So I think we will discuss the rest with mobile, just simply because I don't want the light reflecting off the screen too long in this video. So one of the big things added to this website is a service I put on here called Showcase Rides. I'm super excited to announce that one. If I click Showcase Rides, as you see popping up on the screen here, so what it is, it's a subscription-based thing. So you have different options. Just give it a minute to load on here so I can talk through it. You have a 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, and 1 year plan. And obviously those go up in price per plan. But basically what it is, it's a section of the website dedicated to the fans and people that may just want to show off their car and help, basically help maintenance on the site and everything else by purchasing one of these plans. So, you know, I get people, when I was first putting this together, I put out some feelers to see how people felt about it, and the overall feel was good. But the big thing was, why should I buy one? So, first of all, maybe you just want to show your car off. Second of all, maybe you want to help me in what I'm doing here. And third of all, maybe you want to promote yourself as far as via, you know, social media handles, etc. That is allowed on my website. Once again, it is a whole page dedicated to you, your car. So I actually wrote about that here in here. And you can read it. Why should I buy a Showcase Ride Pass? So the big thing is, if you do want to show your car off, you know, and get your social media out there, my website attracts over 15,000 viewers every 6 months. That's been a steady and continuous rate. It has grown a little bit over the months, but that's been steady probably since 2022. So that has been very consistent. So if you want the exposure, I think it's a good thing to do. Collab with me, and basically what it is for now in the testing phase, and I say testing as in capability, the system itself works, but you purchase a pass. I'll get with you within 24 hours via email. You submit up to 7 photos and a write-up if you want about your car. Submit your social media handles, etc. And all of those will be included on your page on my site. That page is protected. Nobody else can alter it, etc. So as far as the testing portion, I'm working on getting it up to more pictures and possibly videos as well of the ride. So be sure to stay tuned to that. I don't want to talk too much about this and extend the video length here, but yeah, guys, basically 15,000 viewers every 6 months roughly. So I think it's a great opportunity for you guys to get yourself out there, let people see your car, and let them get motivation by seeing your mods and etc. So now that that's over, we're going to do just a general walkthrough of the menu here. If you click it in the top left corner, so you get home, search, info, products, vehicles, vinyl, application instructions, and showcase rides. That showcase rides will take you to a page to tell you how to buy them. And so let's go back to the home page real quick. And if you scroll down, you'll see a section that says browse our latest products and showcase rides. And there is the portion of the showcase rides where your page will be listed. As you see, I have 2 examples done up there. So if you click one of them, there's your dedicated page where people can read about your car, see your images, and if you scroll down, yeah, so you got your pictures shown there. So If we go back to the menu real quick, you got home, search, info, products, vehicles, vinyl, application instructions. Like I said before, info, you got about us and contact, products are listed by category here, and these are all products, so they will not be separated by car. Or if you go to vehicles here, they're separated by vehicle. And if you click, say, the Camaro one here, you got Camaro diffusers, exterior parts. Basically, all of them will be like that eventually. Vinyl application instructions, if you click that, it gives you basically what you get when you make a vinyl order through my company. And if you click it again, and you got a step-by-step installation video guide, if you click that, it'll bring you straight to the company YouTube, where there's actually a video detailing how to install the vinyl products. So, in the right corner here, it says assistance. On mobile, it'll look like a little message icon. If you click that, you can type a message for help, or click a quick link that I have typed up here already, if you need assistance. So, we offer a ton of different payment methods as well that needs to be discussed. So real quick, if we go to, let's just say, we go to products, accessories, and we put in, let's just add this awesome comic style glossy cup here, 11 ounce, we add that to cart, checkout. Once you're on the checkout page, it adds, the tax, shipping, etc. It will not add shipping until you put your shipping address in. But yeah, guys, a lot of credit cards, debit cards. We offer PayPal and Shop Pay, which is huge because before you had to buy big, say, exterior parts in full. Now you can actually finance those over time in installments. But yeah, guys, Shop Pay, PayPal, Google Pay, Venmo, all kind of options there. And if you scroll towards the bottom here, you'll see the browse the latest products, where it brings up the latest products added. And then the showcase rides portion here. And then all the way to the bottom, subscribe to our emails. So basically what that is if you put your email in there, you will get updated emails with new products, news, maybe some news as far as YouTube channel as well, upcoming videos, etc. And you can find us on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube like always. All of this started on YouTube, guys. So I don't use TikTok as much, but maybe since I'm promoting product now, that will definitely be something used more. So yeah, guys, there's a ton more to find on the website. I didn't want to go through everything because I want you guys to be able to click on there and search it up and just have a good time looking through everything. And once again, things are being added every day. I'm doing all this by myself, so be sure to just keep an eye on it. You may see something in the next few days that really sparks your interest as far as modding your car. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of the brand new website. You will also be able to view it on YouTube, as it will be linked directly to YouTube, and a Facebook page is being built as well. So and it's always tied into my Instagram. So yeah, guys, hope you have a great week this week. Until next time, peace out.